You want to come to Romania and have the best hard enduro tour of your life? Then you find the right place. You will have here the opportunity to discover some of the most beautiful, wild, and adventurous places for enduro tours in Europe, provided by me. I guide you on single trails, rocky trails, long climbs, in small creeks or over smooth ridges, through the wilderness of the Poiana Rusca mountains. Our tour is the perfect choice for all riders who love the initially enduro riding in concentrated form. Romania is the enduro tour heaven. The terrain is so vast, including woods, open meadows, gnarly single track, hills and steep mountains, and completely unspoiled wilderness. There are no restrictions for riding enduro, endless trails, no gates, and you will barely see anyone for hours. In this video, I put some clips from a previous tour and some of my tracks. But don't worry, we have tracks for hobby riders and even pros. Based on your riding skill, I will choose the track that we're going to go on to ride and make sure we have fun. And the most important thing, we ride good and get the most adrenaline. And now let me introduce myself to you. I am an 18-year-old guy who loves to ride his bike. I started riding in 2020, and ever since I think I made about 1,500 hours on different bikes till today. I ride at least 2 to 3 times per week, sometimes even more. This year I started going to races and I finished the National Championship of Romania on the 4th position out of 300 plus riders in hobby class, and one race I abandoned because of bike problems, and other 2 I couldn't go. But in this 2024 race season year, I promised myself to win the hobby class in the national championship. That means that I will have to ride a lot more than the previous years. And that's why I want to do tours to practice and help not just myself, but other riders too. With me, you can select the date of the tour yourself, so that it is exactly to your liking and in the period that you're free. If you're interested, feel free to contact me on my site, www.endurotoursshop.ro. It's in the bio, and pricing starts at €80 per rider per day of riding. We can go from 1 day of riding to 10 days or even more. If you choose to come with me, I will talk and reserve the best option of accommodation for you. Unfortunately, I don't have bikes to rent, so you have to come with your bike. Hopefully in the future, I will have bikes to rent. So, you still haven't convinced yourself? What are you waiting for? Go in the bio, click on the site, and book a tour in the contact section. Time is ticking. Tick, tick, tick.